Your first step to adventure starts with a visit visa. It's more than just a ticket. It's your gateway to a world of possibilities. Imagine exploring new countries, experiencing diverse cultures, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Whether it's strolling through historic streets, enjoying world-famous landmarks, or indulging in local cuisines, every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold. A visit visa is also your chance to reconnect. Strengthen bonds with family and friends abroad, attend weddings, celebrations, or even conferences and business meetings. And here's the best part, it's a glimpse into a lifestyle you might one day call your own. A visit visa allows you to experience a new country before considering permanent options. At Stellar Migration, we make the process simple, fast, and stress-free. From guidance on requirements to submitting your application, we handle everything with care. Don't wait to take the first step toward your next big adventure. Apply today with Stellar Migration and let the world open up to you. Your journey starts now.